bad mind, you see. I them want see me there. Judgment for nothing. All them so bad mind. Jah watch my day.
As already, because of a song that Vybz Kartel make about the scammers and reparation money, Mr. Bunting, knowing that Vybz Kartel is on a charge in jail now, that the case don't finish, Mr. Bunting keep referring to Vybz Kartel as a criminal. Now, I don't know, come me could attack and me and say, yeah, even though nobody, he was not found guilty or whosoever. When I talk about those Vybz Kartel, where I say, even if a man never find guilty, a man could attack and I say, well, the man guilty, Rasta. The man guilty. You see it. He was a criminal. But according to the law of Jamaica, a man is guilty. A man is innocent that he'll prove guilty. And the way you prove a man guilty is to carry him in front of the court. Now, if Mr. Bunting going around the place and bawling out and calling a man who is on trial a criminal, you said the man, you send the message out there, say the man guilty. You understand? Yeah, me not understand it. Maybe me not understand it. Maybe we can call a man criminal and him not found guilty. Is it that you are a criminal at the point of being arrested, or you are a criminal at the point of being convicted? That is really my question. I don't understand the law, but I know that it is very unfair whether you want to like Vybz Kartel or not. It's on the law, but I know that it is very unfair whether you want to like Vybz Kartel or not. It's very unfair that the head, the top man in Jamaica, were responsible for national security, is saying, is calling a man who is in the courts criminal. So maybe I personally is naive to who is a criminal, but I thought that a criminal is a person who is convicted. I never know that as you hold a man so and you suspect him of something, you say him is a criminal. Like if you feel say I thief from you, you start to call me a criminal. It don't necessarily mean say I did thief from you. It just means say you suspect me of thieving. So is it that you're a criminal at the point of arrest, or you are a criminal at the point of conviction? This is the next thing I have to give Jai again. So, Jai, could you call one of my lawyers out there and get them to answer that question for me? Because I really don't understand it. I'm naive to these things. So, maybe I am stressing out Mr. Bunting. But Mr. Bunting is actually saying that Vybz Kartel is a criminal. And we know that Vybz Kartel is in jail on trial for something that he's accused of doing. So I don't know. And I will stress it, but I hope Jai can call one of them liars and ask them, are you a criminal at the point of you being arrested, or are you the criminal at the point of being convicted? So it's two things. It's either it start, you're a criminal at the point of arrest, or you're at the point of conviction. Because there's so much things that I have done that maybe I am a criminal. Maybe I am a criminal. Alright, so I could cut this, so I could play some music here and get the information when we ask for. But just I try cipher out our brains. Just from my knowledge also, because this program is not only for the people who are listening out there. This program is also for me to educate myself in certain things and coming to some understanding about certain things. You understand? So this also, this bad word thing it's really an irony because you know, me don't know nobody will cuss bad word like police. Police stop you and trust me, man. That me I start finding funny now that and if a police cuss a bad word, me just cuss a bad word with him. Because me I say alright. If I cuss bad word, me cuss bad word with him too. And when I cuss a bad word, I don't know aggression need I know. It's just like it's a Jamaican thing, you know, man. You know, and I have some man who just cuss bad word because I'm fine I do certain thing and policeman. But me don't know nobody will cuss bad word like police. And them have me all call it bad word. You understand? Now apparently the minister never see it as a expletive because he was quoting from something. So the point is that you can use the same word for curse and you can, it's like, you know, a man win all the lottery now. Trust me, a man can win and say, we win the lottery too, what's it? That's not a curse, but him use the same word. And the same word him can use that say, hey boy, you see if I told me I just watch it, yo. You know them really? Or well, you know, your mother is a watch it. So really and truly, watch it become a bad word in the context. And we don't want to realize the word them in itself cannot be bad. It's the context in which the word is used that define whether you want to say the word bad or not bad. You know? Like a man say, Jesus and peace. When I say Jesus and peace, I don't know why I say Jesus and them say Jesus. So that is a bad word because there's no such word as Jesus. You just create a word because you never want to say Jesus. You never want to define the word Jesus. So, you know, it make it become a part of him vocabulary. So when Jamaican use certain word now and the society said bad and I want to lock up a man feet and them thing, you know. And we know, say, without a doubt, most Jamaican cause bad word. I can't tell what them I call bad word. Me a Roman Catholic priest in a certain community. The youth them, it's like you find the youth them a bad eye. Because every time them come in, and the amount of bad word with him Lego. Big fat white bread I know. The Monsieur, what them call him? Wait, watch a man. The amount of bad word with the man leg up on the youth, they know. Trust me, man. If I like, they could have licked them right, they saw. They would have licked right, they saw through the bad word them. So, most Jamaican use these words. And I don't feel no way if I am very glad that Mr. Bunting is susceptible to these words too. Just like anybody else in Jamaica. So, the hypocrisy is that I as an artist call a word and police up on the stage and wait for me to call the word and then arrest me. It's a situation where we have to come to grips with. It. It's like when they have the smoking now. When the smoking now turn you into you're putting for the line. Alright, we think you just ask him. Alright. Click. Okay, alright. Okay. We have a lie up on the phone now. Alright. Boy, Joy, give thanks. Your work today. We see your work today for the stepping laser. Miguel?
Greetings, my brother. Blessings.
Blessing, man. Well, I hear you on the radio last night and know we call you for something else again today. We are bad at you.
No.
Alright. May I ask a question here? You see?
Yes.
Is a man a criminal at the point of arrest or is a criminal at the point of conviction?
No, he's only a criminal at the point of conviction.
Alright. So I was right when I was sitting. Because what is happening now is that there's the Minister of Security is referring to Vybz Kartel as a criminal.
Yes.
But Vybz Kartel was not convicted of
No, he has not been convicted. He's still innocent until proven otherwise.
So the minister don't know that is something that...
Well, that will be said. If a minister of national security in Jamaica don't know that, he must know that, man.
Yeah, but you say, them catch him a cuss bad word in Florida, you know, and him knows if him never Jamaica, he won't cuss bad word. You know hear about it?
No.
Yeah, him address some Jamaicans and him leg go bad word, but him say it's quote, him did a quote something.
Alright.
Him now says him cuss the bad word, you know. He must say, him quote somebody who didn't say the bad word.
No, but that doesn't exonerate you. That doesn't exonerate you.
That's the man them intelligent, you know. Man go around the thing and come around about the thing, but you as a youth can't go around the thing, so you know.
No, man.
See, after you say the word, you know.
Yeah.
It's 2,000, all of that. You understand?
Yes,
But him can't say it.
that's absolutely that it's up on the point of conviction
Yeah.
before a person can be called a criminal.
All right, sir. Just that you want to find out. Give thanks,
Yeah, man. I've been listening to the program today, you know,
Yeah.
and so on. Have you touched on the Morales thing, President Morales from Bolivia?
No.
That scandalous act which
Yeah,
was done,
the
man.
United States.
The United States and Europe.
Yes, because of
They forced the presidential plane
Yeah.
that the Bolivian president was traveling in. They forced the plane to land in Austria.
because them think the youth did upon
They
it.
thought Snowden was on it.
Yeah, them think the youth did upon it. Yes.
You heard the speech. The Argentinian president gave a fantastic speech this morning.
Yes.
She said it's obvious that they don't realize that colonialism has ended. And the Latin American countries, the presidents will be having a meeting tomorrow to discuss the matter.
Well, them a try do certain things to Argentina and all these places because them don't want the youth leave Russia.
And Venezuela and all these.
Venezuela, yeah, for going
that them don't have a place to go. But my thing is this: what if he was on the plane?
Yes.
If Snowden was on the plane,
Then when I take
by law, they ought not to be able to take him off.
No, because it's not for them land.
And not only that, the plane is considered part of Bolivia.
That means I said not for them land.
Right.
It's a foreign land.
If the plane, in other words,
It's like an embassy. It's like an embassy.
Right.
Yes.
Let's give the example of Air Force One. Air Force One, you know, is not the plane itself, you know.
No.
It's only when the president is on it. It is Air Force One.
Yes.
And therefore it enjoys the privilege, diplomatic privileges and diplomatic immunity.
Yes.
If the president goes on an Air Jamaica aircraft, you know, that plane becomes Air Force One, you know.
Yes.
And enjoys all the presidential immunity that a president has.
Of course, yes.
So, you know, it's really, well, Obama really let you down.
Well, them in a problem with this thing, you know, because them a try juggle with if it's a coup or it's not a coup. Because them don't want to say it's a coup. If them say it's a coup, it means, you know, it's a problem.
America would be supporting a coup.
Yeah, and if them don't say it's a coup, the people them going to say, see, they know.
Yes, no, it's hypocrisy thing, because obviously it's a coup.
Of course it's a coup.
The elected government is pushed out by soldiers.
Yes, it's a coup.
We have guns and say, look, and if a person is elected, the only way you get them out is by an election to throw them out.
Democratically, and it never
Definitely.
Yeah, of course.
So it's a situation now. How do they appear to be supporting a coup by a military, which a year ago the people had rejected? Which they were
accepting the democratic process a year ago.
Yes.
By this man who the people them know so we don't want.
Yes.
Them for realize that democracy in those countries is not part of the culture of those people.
No, this is His Majesty. You know that speech His Majesty make where they say you must never seek to impose your will and your practices upon us.
Yes.
What works for us may not work for you, and what works for you may not work for us.
Yes.
You know, how we elect chiefs and leaders in Africa might be different from how you elect people over there. But they have never respected our principles and our guidelines.
Yeah, that's why them are on the wrong side.
Well, I tell you, my brother.
Give thanks, brother.
Self-interject and carry on different track.
Watch out.
But I know if you're talking about the anti-gang legislation, which I suspect...
No, it's not that I was talking about. I was talking about...
You just want to deal specifically as to
because Mr. Bunting seemed to be calling Vybz Kartel a criminal.
Which is absolutely wrong.
And that also that him for some bad word, and I say quote him a quote the word.
No, he should apologize, because in light of the fact that the man is facing a trial, he's going to be tried by a jury, and some of the members of the jury might have been listening to Mr. Bunting last night. It's imperative that Mr. Bunting come back on the program and apologize to Vybz Kartel.
Yes.
Every citizen have that right to be deemed innocent until proven otherwise.
Yes. All right, sir. Blessed man.
And you tell them how you come a court, come mash it up, Muta, you tell the listeners them that?
No, me not talk about myself.
You don't tell them how you come a court and now the judge forget about the case and say, Muta, come a long time, me and you want to talk. And the man with it almost have 1 foot in a jail where you done the judges a gun court case and the people know this. So it was not a little case. Yeah. Gun court where people get many years and the judge make it plain that is you may come now and make the judge fine the man of money. Yes. Rather than think because they have 1 foot in and 1 foot out.
17 years in a face.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you need to come to the court more often.
Well, me take away your job when you go to that panel.
Well, you know, a lot of people have asked me that, you know. It's simple, serious. Yeah. A lot of people have actually asked me if Muta is a lawyer.
Oh, yes?
Yeah, man. People have asked me that. so you have to draw on the cap and put in little studies.
Alright, sir.
And the court come represent poor people.
Alright, give thanks, man. Give thanks.
Black lives.
Yeah.